Chapter 11 covers database marketing, direct response marketing, and personal selling. These are the objectives for Chapter 11. The fourth section of this textbook examines the promotional tools that are used to acquire customers. Chapter 11 examines database marketing, direct response marketing, and personal selling. The next, Chapter 12, highlights both consumer and trade promotions, and then Chapter 13 looks at public relations and sponsorships. Sephora was founded in France by Dominique Mandonade in 1970. The company operates worldwide and also in conjunction with JCPenney retail stores. The key to success is the science of Sephora that emphasizes personalized service and knowledge of skin physiology. Sephora has a strong loyalty program based on three principles: operating in an industry with high repeat purchases, high price margins, and a high level of competition. Chapter 11 begins with the discussion of database marketing and the role of a data warehouse. Data is an integral part of companies today and is used for a variety of purposes. The chapter presents information on how to build a data warehouse, database coding and analysis, data mining, and database-driven marketing programs and communications. The chapter concludes with a discussion of personal selling, which is largely based on database information. Database marketing involves collecting and utilizing customer data for the purpose of enhancing interactions with customers and developing customer loyalty. Successful database marketing emphasizes 1. Identifying customers, and 2. Building relationships with them. Database marketing involves 5 tasks. 1. Building a data warehouse. 2. Coding and analyzing the data in the database. 3. Mining the data for useful information. And 4. Using the data to develop data-driven marketing communications. Using the data to develop data-driven marketing programs. A data warehouse has 2 primary types of data. The operational database contains all of the consumer transactions and follows the rules of accounting. It is used for accounting and tax purposes. The marketing database contains information about current customers, former customers, and prospects. This is a list of the types of information that should be contained in a marketing database. Customer information is normally easy to obtain, especially from B2B operations. It may be more difficult for consumer-based businesses. Customer information that is needed includes names, addresses, email addresses, and phone numbers. There should be a record of every visit to the firm's website and every contact with the company. Customer histories and results of any surveys should be in the database. Preferences, profiles, and results of marketing campaigns should also be there. It will be discussed later, but the database should also contain appended and coded data. Emails are an essential element of a quality marketing database. The Internet and email provide cost-effective channels of communications that can be used to build relationships. The Internet has the capability of storing information about customers through cookies placed on the customer's computer. With this information, the website can be personalized with the person's name. The content can be customized based on the person's interests and past behaviors. Effective database programs maintain detailed histories of customers that include every transaction and every interaction. These histories provide valuable information that can be used for future communications. Histories also assist the marketing team in evaluating a person's lifetime value and other customer metrics that can be used to target specific marketing programs and communications. For companies that lack the ability to gather personal information from their customers, a number of data research firms can supply this information. Some of the more well-known companies are Knowledge-Based Marketing, Donnelley, Dialogue, and Claritas. These companies provide demographic information and psychographic information. Other companies such as Axiom and Daytrend Media can combine online information a product may have about their customers with online information. Purchasing this type of information is necessary for companies that cannot obtain it themselves and want a data warehouse. Geocoding is the process of adding geographic codes to customer records so that customers can be plotted on a map. Geocoding also allows for adding demographic and psychographic information to the customer's record. With this information, customer clusters can be identified using software such as CACI Coder Plus. The concept behind the geographic clusters is that people who share common values and interests tend to live in the same neighborhoods.